Just wanting to finish from the last video, but like I was saying, I already have it set to record at 12, and I'm gonna make sure I have enough room so that it records from the very beginning. I don't want to miss those 2 minutes again, but I'm gonna make sure the movie is done. I'm gonna make sure it's done being recorded before I delete the one that's recording now, because I would rather have it with the 2 minutes missing than not at all. So I'm gonna make sure it's done. It's 2 o'clock. Oh, it's 2.5 hours. That's probably what it was. Yeah, it's 2.5 hours. So I'm gonna make sure it's like 3 o'clock in the morning before I delete the one that's recording now. So that way I know it's done recording at 2:30, and you know I'm good. I got it on there. It's saved, but you know I'm happy even with the 2 minutes missing. I'm so happy. I've been waiting. So yeah, and when I get money, I'm gonna buy Purple Rain, Graffiti Bridge, which I already have on my DVR, and I'm thinking about oh, what's the name of the other one? Under the Cherry Moon. I'm not gonna buy Sign of the Times. Maybe later on down the road, but it's not something that I'm like, oh, I want really bad, because I've seen a little bit of it, and he got really bad reviews on that movie, and I just don't think it doesn't look like a good movie at all. I mean, I'll probably get it later on down the line just to have it as a part of whatever Prince collection I start making. But I definitely want to get Purple Rain and Graffiti Bridge and Under the Cherry Moon, and I definitely want to get all of his albums and some shirts, and I don't know what else, because Prince is completely different than Michael Jackson. So like Michael Jackson, I knew exactly what type of memorabilia I wanted to get, but with Prince I'm kind of like, I don't know, because they're completely different people, completely different artists, types of artists, and I'm not really even sure how big or small I want my Prince collection to be. I knew I wanted a huge shrine with Michael Jackson, but Prince just kind of came out of nowhere. Like, I've never ever really liked Prince, and I've always loved Michael Jackson. I can remember the first time I saw him on TV. My mom met him in like 1992, 93, 94. She met him around that time. He actually spoke to my mom. So I've always been a huge fan of his. She actually brought me home his napkin too, which I took to school like a dumbass, but I wasn't even 10 years old then, so you know, what did I know? Next